Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G82 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's just open the settings application and after that tap on the network and internet. Here click to the internet section and now just to activate Wi-Fi just click here once on the switcher. After that you will see here all the available networks. Now we can select one from this network and click to connect. Here, for example, let's open this network. Here we should enter the password. To see the password, you can click here to this checkbox and just, for example, to have some mistakes. Okay, I'll just do it out of screen. So after that, just tap here to connect. Wait a second. And now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you can select one more network here, but by the same way, enter the password, click to connect, and after that you will have here two saved networks and you can just switch between them if you want. To turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the switcher and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. First, we should open notification panel and click here to internet section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click here once on the switcher and after that, by the same way, select one from available networks, enter the password, tap to connect and that's it. After that, just click here to done. And if you want to turn it off, just click here once again on the internet icon and click on the switcher to turn off the Wi-Fi. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.